Hey everyone, did you ever wonder if there's some kind of dark energy at your children's school or any public building? Sometimes when you walk in somewhere, you just feel like, oh, what's going on here, right? If you're sensitive to energy, you probably noticed that. Well, this video is going to show you how to douse and release that energy from a school. Now, there's a high school right down the street from me. It's been around since the early 1970s, and I've driven by there probably thousands of times on my way to go wherever, shopping and such. And sometimes, I'll say, especially lately, I've felt some darkness there, and I thought I should probably clear it, and now is the perfect opportunity. So the first thing I'm going to do is douse, use my energy to connect into the energy of the school, and just see what's going on there. Now, dowsing is just a mechanical way of connecting into your intuition. You can also connect into the energies, because everything's made of energy, right? Of buildings, people, places, things, streets where there's been a lot of car accidents and such. Just connect in and you just make shift happen, right? Change the energy. But you should always ask permission before you do that. So my dowsing is really muscle testing, which I use my hands for yes and no replies to questions that are specifically designed to reveal what I need to know. This is a yes answer and this is a no answer. If you want to douse, you've been wanting to learn to douse, you don't even know where to begin, or you've tried it and it's been difficult and such, please check out my book on Amazon and Barnes & Noble, Fearless Accurate Dowsing. It was a bestseller on Amazon. It's great for beginners, for intermediate, and for advanced dowsers. I have charts in the back that will actually take you on a step-by-step process for physical, mental, emotional healing and renewal in yourself. There's a section for family and of course a section for animals, because I'm a big old animal lover. So let me just connect now. I'm going to ask my dowsing. Do you know the high school that we're going to be checking into now? Yes. Okay. Do I have permission to connect into the energy of this high school and then later clear it? Yes. Okay. So the energy at this high school, ooh, it feels very dark and sludgy, and I feel like I'm going to start gagging real soon. That's not a good sign, right? But we'll clear it out. Tell me what percentage of the energy at this high school is, we'll just say, polluted with dark, dense energy or non-beneficial energy. I'll just start at the top, 100%. 99.876543. 93% of the school is got non-beneficial energy in it. Does that include like the football field, all the outbuildings, the parking lot, everything? I'm just getting this like dark, dense clouds all the way down to the ground. Well, there's probably been a bunch of people who have put curses, hexes, jinxes on the school, whether it be parents or students or teachers, maybe even people who work there, janitors, custodians, the ladies working in the kitchen, things like that. It makes sense. I'm just going to ask again, have any clearings been done on this high school since it was built? No. Well, no wonder. It's jam-packed full of negativity. Well, let's clear it out. There's a number of ways you can do it. You can focus on the school and then clear your governing vessel meridian, as you've probably seen me do in my other videos as you talk about clearing it. I like using a pendulum. And this pendulum, of course, is from Raymond Grace, who's one of my favorite fellow dowsers. And what I just do is a bit different than Raymond does, but I'm just going to start clearing it out since I got permission. Well, I'm connected into the energy of this high school. I call in the spirit doctors and the archangels, the ascended masters, the beings of light and love, and if necessary, even the nature spirits. And we now pull out, remove, neutralize, scramble the energy of all non-beneficial entities, energies, emotions. We cleanse even the elements of water, wood, air, metal. I forget the other one. Oh, earth. Let's just clear it all the way down to the bottom, to the core, the center of Earth. We clear it out and all the way up, maybe a mile up above the school and all around the school in all the directions, north, south, east, west, above and below. We clear out every square inch of the school, including the football field, the track, of course the cafeteria, all the classrooms, all the offices, the gymnasiums, everything that's in that school. I've never been inside. I just drive by there, clearing it all out, so that when they come in tomorrow morning, they're going to be astounded at the light and love in that school. I'm just going to do a little bit more because I'm sensing it needs to be done, so let's just keep clearing. And you could be focused on your own school, right? Or any public building. We're now letting it all go, and I just heard, and so it is done. And that's my sign that it's 100% clear. I will verify. I have permission to check now again on the energy of the high school down the street from my house that we've done some clearing on. Are there still some non-beneficial energies or entities in there? Something that might be triggering. Even there's a high rate of suicide in the area where I live, not necessarily that high school. 1 hour ago, in this high school, there was hopelessness, despair, anger, rage, hatred. Now, check on those same emotions, all gone. Wow, that was great. I feel different too. I feel better. So let's spin in some good stuff. Dear archangels, thank you for filling this high school with goodness, grace, glory, love, peace, compassion, kindness, acceptance, diversity, respect, pure brilliance used in the schoolwork, so that all the children there, all the teenagers there, just get through their classes with love and light and ease and grace, and that they take home all these wonderful new emotions and vibrations and energies. They take it home and spread it into their families, their neighborhoods, all over the city. Let's just spread it all the way out. In the name of the light and the love and the peace, and so it is. Of course, you can use your own words for this, whatever you feel most comfortable, and that's how I just did it. I can't tell you how great I feel, and that's what happens when you give your time and your energy to help others, and it all comes back tenfold, 100-fold. And these precious souls who've been going to that school since the 1970s, let's just ask also that what we just did, it spreads out to each and every one of the alumni who have been there. Thank you, amen. Thank you for watching. Appreciate you so much. Remember, you're a treasure on earth. So clear yourself of any of the tarnish that you might feel on your treasure, and just spread that love and peace all over earth. Peace out. Namaste. Thank you. Subscribe to my bi-monthly newsletter and get 10 free chapters of Fearless Accurate Dowsing. There are links to all my Amazon books on the homepage, emorescue.com. Thank you.